Hey, I'm Doug. Welcome to Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel dedicated to hiking, backpacking, and walking the Camino de Santiago. Right now I want to talk to you about attaching this to this using this. Alright, in a previous video I talked about the benefits of using a hiking umbrella on the Camino or on the trail, and today I want to look at a cool little item from Gossamer gear called the hands-free umbrella clamp. One of the biggest issues with carrying a hiking umbrella is that even though it's lightweight, reflective, and very cool, it's difficult to use if you don't want to walk around holding it up in the air the whole time. Now, I have to say that with these ultralight hiking umbrellas, holding it up is actually not that big of a deal. It's a lot less of a big deal than I would have thought. However, after hour after hour after hour of holding it up, that's going to get old pretty quickly. Further, if you're using trekking poles or you have a camera that you want to be able to operate, you probably just don't want to deal with the umbrella being in your hand all the time. Now, whether it's for sun protection or rain protection, a hiking umbrella is used by a lot of people, especially on long through hikes, and has obvious applications to the Camino. So this product by Gossamer Gear is $5.99. It weighs basically nothing. I couldn't even get it to show up on my scale. Let's call it a ½ ounce. But what it does is it clips to the front of the shoulder strap and allegedly holds the umbrella up for you hands-free. Now, this is my initial unboxing, but it looks pretty simple. Basically, you have two pieces. The first one, this little bit of cordage, goes around the bottom of the shoulder strap, wherever it is you're going to put it, and just goes through a little hook. You pull it tight with the toggle, and it grabs onto the umbrella. So I'm just going to stick this on here arbitrarily. I have no idea where I really want that at this point. The top piece has an interesting little holder on it. It's basically two C-shaped clamps put in opposition to one another, and when the umbrella is open, you just basically slide it onto the umbrella's shaft, twist until it pops on, and you have a clamp. That will go around the actual shoulder harness. So I'm going to put the backpack on and see how it does. Okay, first thing to note, this apparently needs to go quite a bit lower. I'm just going to drop it all the way off here for the moment. Well, there we go. Okay, so first time trying this. It is holding it rather vertically, and this would be fantastic as long as I didn't want to be able to see it all. So let's see about some adjustments here. Okay, a little bit better, but still way too close to my head. I have to say that at this point, I'm definitely going to need to do some adjustments. I can kind of see what needs to happen, but it's pretty difficult to do while it's on, so I'm going to take it off and see if I can't get it better adjusted and then put it back on. So I'm sure it's just that I am not particularly good at this point, but so far this has not been the easiest thing to adjust. I really should have put these on ahead of time because I am craning my neck trying to figure out how to change this up. So let's take the pack off. Okay, so part of the problem is that this is definitely too low, so I'm not getting a good angle to shoot the umbrella back. So I'm going to take this, move it a lot higher. Let's put it all the way up here. This is probably going to be like on my shoulder. Okay, I have moved the straps clear up here by my shoulder and as far down as I can reach down here. So I'm going to see how this works. Okay, that actually wasn't too bad. Now this is about where I would want it. Oh yeah, I had this in completely the wrong place. Okay, so let's put the clamp here. Pull that sucker down. Ah, now we're talking. Okay, so this actually looks good for me. I just had the umbrella way, way too low. You know, this is about where I'd probably carry it, you know, right about here, close to the chest. I can see everything just fine, but I've got plenty of coverage. It's maybe a little farther out here, but of course, you know, the rod's going to hit my head if I bring it any farther out. So the adjustments on this are actually pretty cool. Because they slide around, you can pretty easily just put the umbrella where you want it. I don't know what's going to happen if it's under rain, but the fact is, my hands are free, I have umbrella coverage, and it just feels like nothing. I could just walk around like this. This is Doug on Camino. Check me out. Got my dome. All right, so yeah, I'm a fan. For $5.99, this is a great way to go. It weighs almost nothing. It is built specifically for this kind of umbrella. I don't know how it's going to do with other travel umbrellas. As long as they fit into those C-clamps at all, the system should still work. Obviously, it will work better if it's for an umbrella that is made for this. So if you go onto Gossamer Gear's website, you can buy one of these light flex umbrellas. I got mine through Eurosherm, but they're all basically the same thing. So there you go, the Gossamer Gear hands-free umbrella clamp. Oh, I'm in the wind. Whoa, I'm in the wind. Doesn't matter, goes right back where it should.